Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. If you're ready to dive into the world of trading with Oanda, but aren't quite sure how to find your login details, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to locate your Oanda login, so you can start managing your account and making trades in no time. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is your Oanda login? It's pretty straightforward. Your Oanda login consists of the email address and password you set up when you opened your trading account. This is what you'll use to access several important features, like the Oanda Hub or Client Portal for account management, the Oanda web platform to view your trades and manage your funds, and even the mobile app. Plus, if you've linked any services like TradingView, you'll need this login there too. Now, if you're wondering where to find your login info, I've got you covered. One of the easiest ways is to check your email confirmation. Look for the email you received from Oanda when you registered. That email address is your login email. If you can't remember which email you used, don't worry. Just take a peek in your inbox for any welcome or verification emails from Oanda. Those will also have the information you need. Another handy tip is to check your account statements. Your registered email is often displayed on invoices or account documents. So, if you have any of those handy, take a look. Alright, now that you've found your login details, let's move on to logging into the Oanda Hub or web platform. Start by navigating to the Oanda login page specific to your region. It's usually pretty easy to find. Once you're there, enter the email address that you registered with. Next, type in the password you created during sign-up. And don't forget to double-check for any typos. When you're ready, just click the Sign In button. Voila! Once you're logged in, you can manage your account, view your balances, and even open up trading platforms to get started. So there you have it. You've successfully found and used your Oanda login. Now you're all set to explore your trading options and make the most of your Oanda account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Happy trading, and we'll see you in the next video.